Savings money doesn't have to be hard. What if your bank could do it for you automatically? With Chime, you can set saving goals and watch your money grow without even thinking about it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Chime for automatic savings goal. So first, you have to set up your savings goals in Chime app. So within this savings account screen, you can now create your own savings goal in just a few tabs, and here how it works. So this is a Chime blog. The title is Track Your Savings Goal in the Chime app. So you can look for it on your Google and this blog will appear. So if you want, you can read this with me or you can check out for yourself. So first, create a savings goal. To get started, tap Savings Account on the app home screen. Tap Set Your Goals to create your first goal. All you have to do is name it and then add a cute emoji to make it stand out. Now, you have to set your savings target. Next, you have to have the option to decide how much you want to save, and maybe that means $1,000 for rainy days or $20,000 for a new car. Remember, no goal is too big or too small with Chime. Setting a savings target is optional. Chimes allow you to set money aside for your goals whenever you have some extra to spare. Now, then you can add money to your goal. Once you have got your savings target in mind, the next step is funding. Just move funds from savings account to a specific goal or through the Move tab in the app. Now you can set up just one goal or several to see each one from the savings account screen in the Chime app. Now complete this goal, stay visible, so you always have a reminder of what you are capable of achieving and how far you have come. Now, there's a question like, can you earn interest with money in savings goal? Then yes, Chime members earn 1.25% annual percentage yield or APY on the money in their goal. Becoming a Chime Plus member by receiving a qualifying direct deposit unlocks 3.75% APY on all funds in your goal. Now, here are some other features of Savings Goal. So, they design Savings Goal to make the process of savings easy, empowering, and intuitive. First, you have to track your progress. So, as you continue adding funds to your goal, you will see the progress bar move a little closer to the finish line to visualize your momentum. Now, you can also celebrate your achievement. When you receive your goal, you will see a celebratory message in the app to cap off your goal. Now, your complete goals will stay visible in the app, so you can always reminder that you can reach your goal. Now, next, you can set multiple goals. So if you have big dreams, you can set up multiple goals and contribute to each one as you can. So start savings for a better future. So the savings goal features help you to prioritize which goals you can or you should work on and create a realistic plan for a savings each payday. So if you're ready to set up your first savings goal, all you need to do is a Chime checking account and Chime high yield savings account and the Chime app to get ball rolling. So if you want, you can read this article about Chime high yield savings account and how to open that up. And I'm going to say, like, by turning on Chime's automatic savings feature, you make like savings towards your goals every time you spend or get paid, helping you to build your futures one effortless deposit at a time. So I'm going to encourage you to open your savings account, as they also give you an interest on your money. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.